Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about footnote, endnote and bibliography. In the academic writing, footnote and endnote are very important parts of the text. Generally, we use this footnote and endnote to cite a source of information or to give some additional information to readers about the written topic. For example, in journal articles or books, you will find a small superscript numbers or symbols just after a word or at the end of the sentence in the text. So those small superscript numbers or symbols refers to footnote or endnote that are added in the text. And you will see the cited or given information at the bottom of the same page or in the last page of the article. They both provide supportive information to readers, but they differ in their location where they appear in the written text. Remember that footnote always appears at the bottom of the same page, whereas endnote appears as separate section in the last page. Okay, next, what is this bibliography? It is nothing but a list of references or list of books that you can give at the end of the article. A detailed list of books or a detailed list of references or scientific articles is called bibliography. Okay, let's see the examples for footnote, endnote and bibliography. See here, it is a book chapter. The name is drug metabolism. Now I will show you about footnote. Okay, if you see here you can see star mark or asterisk after a word, that is isoform. And the cited information is given at the bottom of the same page. So this is called footnote. Footnote always appears at the bottom of the same page. And if you see in the next page of the same chapter, you will see star marks after an abbreviation, that is TMB. The cited information is given at the bottom of the same page. So here they have given full form of this abbreviation, 3,4,5-trimethoxybenzoyl. So the cited information is given at the bottom of the same page. Here the full form of abbreviation is given as footnote. And you can also see another symbol, that is dagger. Here we can see dagger symbol after an abbreviation of TMC. And the full form is given at the bottom of the same page, 3,4,5-trimethoxycinnamide. So the cited information is provided at the bottom of the same page. This is called footnote. Footnote always appears at the bottom of the same page. Okay, next. Here you can see superscript number 44A. And here you can see the number 45 as superscript, and here 46 and 47. And the related information is not given at the bottom of the page. Okay, let's check in the last page of the chapter. See here, this is the last page of the chapter. Here we can see the list of references. So the cited information of those small superscript numbers is not provided at the bottom of the same page. The information is given as separate section in the last page of the chapter. This is called endnote. So endnote always appears in the last page as separate section. So this list of references can be considered as bibliography. Okay, next point. What kind of information can we include as footnote and endnote? Usually footnotes provide the information like author's affiliation, definitions, explanatory notes, full form of abbreviations, and sometimes bibliographic information. Whereas endnotes provide the list of books, list of references or list of scientific articles called bibliography. Sometimes in the endnote, we can also include non-bibliographic items like comments or observations in our work. Okay. So then, what is the purpose of giving some information as footnote and some information as endnote? To know the reason, we should understand the advantages and disadvantages of footnote and endnote. Okay, let's see the advantages of footnote. The main advantage of footnote is that it is very easy to find the cited information in the same page, so that the reader will get information very quickly. But one of the disadvantage of footnote is that if you provide too many footnotes in the same page, the page gets cluttered and that may interrupt the reader's flow of reading. let's see the advantages and disadvantages of EndNote. In this case, all the details will be provided in the last page as separate section, so that EndNote creates a cleaner look on each page. But there is a small disadvantage. To find the cited or quoted information, you have to flip the pages to the end of the article. Only then you will find the information or list of references. Sometimes you may have to remember the chapter's number and EndNote number to find the correct one. So both of these methods have some advantages and some disadvantages. So it's better to choose footnote option to give little information, whereas EndNotes is the best option to provide large information like list of references or list of books or some comments. Okay.